What's up guys, Sparkeezy here, and today I'm going to show you how to install a Subaru roof spoiler on a Crosstrek or Impreza hatchback. I want to start off by saying that this specific part is only for the 2012 to 2016 Impreza hatchback and the 2013 through 2017 Crosstrek, excluding the 2015 and 2016 Crosstrek hybrid models. This OEM spoiler comes with an instruction manual that's kind of hard to understand. That's why I'm making this video, so you can have a better visual on how to install this spoiler. I will link the tools I use in the description. You need a drill, some millimeter drill bits, a punch tool, a socket set, and a few other small items. You can either buy the part unpainted or you can buy the spoiler already painted to color match your car. The spoiler has 4 bolts with gasket material already installed, so all we need to do is drill out these holes and put the nuts on them to secure them to the car. The first thing you want to do is open up the hatch and take off 3 pieces of plastic. They're not secured by any nuts or bolts, you just grab them and pull them apart. Make sure the wire for the third brake light is pulled out so you don't accidentally drill through it. After that's done, you can close the door again and you can grab your template that comes with the OEM part. Double check that this template will fit, but on my car it was an exact replica of what my roof outline was. And once you confirm it, get a pair of scissors and cut the outline of the entire template. When the outline is cut, it has pictures showing where you're going to put the tape, and you're going to use painter's tape, not duct tape, because you don't want to damage the paint at all. But in every spot that has a picture of a tape, you're going to tape it down, and the template already cuts out the third brake light so you can easily line up everything. These 4 target marks are where the holes are going to be drilled. Using this punch tool, I'm going to punch each hole 3 times, and this is so when I drill, the drill bit stays centered. I ended up putting tape wherever there was empty spots. The inner 2 holes are going to be drilled out using a 3mm, 5mm, and 9mm drill bit, and the outer 2 are going to be drilled out with the same 3, 5, and a 9mm, but the outer 2 also get a 12mm hole. First, I drilled out all the holes to 3mm, and make sure not to go too far down. Then 5mm, then 9mm. Instead of wiping off the shavings, I used an air compressor so I don't scratch the paint. I opened up the back to see where the drill bits are, and there's openings exactly where each hole is. This is why it's important to remove that third brake light wire so we don't accidentally drill into it. I removed the template to get a test fit of the wing, and it still didn't fit that good, and I'm going to use a 9mm drill bit to go through the hole to make it cleaner. Even though the hole's already drilled, I still put painter's tape over it while I clean up the hole so that it doesn't chip the paint. Once all 4 holes are drilled out to 9mm, the last thing you want to do is drill out the outer 2 ones to 12mm. And since I don't have 12mm, I'm going to use a 10mm drill bit, and I'm going to ream them out to widen up as best as I can. Before I installed the wing, I put some touch-up paint on all the holes. I put the regular paint, waited 30 minutes. Then I put the clear coat on top and waited 30 minutes. At this point, you're ready to bolt on the spoiler. This claw tool was perfect for holding the nuts while I screw each one in. And if you don't have enough threads, make sure that the spoiler is flush. Once all 4 nuts are installed, you can use a 10mm socket and ratchet to tighten these down. Just make sure you don't over tighten them, but make sure that they are snug. Install the plastic trims in the reverse way you took them off. And just like that, you have a Subaru OEM roof spoiler installed on your vehicle. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, make sure you comment down below. If you want to see more content like this, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more. Sparky, Izzy, peace.